Something is happening in our skies. Something that almost every scientist wants to explain, and almost every normal person wants to ignore. Because ignoring feels safer than accepting the truth. For years, people around the world have been reporting the same terrifying thing. Mysterious trumpet-like sounds coming from the sky. Sounds with no source. Sounds with no direction. Sounds that feel like they're not from this planet. This is not a single country issue. It's not a local rumor. It's not some old folklore. These sky sounds have been recorded in Canada, Ukraine, United States, Chile, Kuwait, India, Japan, almost everywhere. And the strangest part? Every single clip sounds almost the same. A deep metallic roar, a long haunting trumpet, a mechanical hum that feels alive, almost like the sky itself is trying to communicate. People say the air becomes heavier, birds freeze mid-flight, dogs start crying, even the wind stops moving, and all you can hear is the sound. No clouds, no rain, no planes, just the sound. One man in British Columbia woke up at 4 a.m. because his house began shaking. He ran outside expecting an earthquake, but everything was still, except the sky. The sky was screaming. A woman in Finland heard the noise so loudly that her windows vibrated. She thought a massive ship was passing over her house, except her home was in the middle of a forest. In Chile, the sound lasted for almost 15 minutes, a metallic howl, like a giant machine powering up. In Florida, people heard what they called the trumpets. Some believed it was a warning. Some believed it was a sign. Some believed it was the end. And if you listen to all these recordings together, they feel connected. Too similar. Too perfect. Too organized. It's as if the same event is echoing across the entire planet. But the real question is, what is causing it? And why is it happening more frequently in the last 10 years? Scientists, of course, were the first to react. But even they don't agree. Some say it's skyquakes, small atmospheric explosions caused by shifts in temperature. Some say it's tectonic plates grinding, although that should happen underground, not in the sky. Some say it's jet streams moving violently, but pilots deny this explanation. Some say it's industrial noise, but remote areas with zero factories have recorded the same sound. Others believe something else. Many geologists believe the Earth's magnetic field is shifting, and when magnetic fields move, they create frequencies. Frequencies we might be hearing for the first time. But there's a darker, more mysterious theory. A theory that doesn't come from scientists. It comes from ancient cultures. Thousands of years ago, tribes documented a phenomenon called voices of the sky. They believed the Earth was alive, and the sky was its language. Whenever major changes were coming, floods, earthquakes, wars, the sky would speak. And what we are hearing today matches those ancient descriptions almost perfectly. There is even a theory that the sky sounds are connected to something happening deep beneath us. Signals from the Earth's crust traveling upward. Waves of energy bouncing through the atmosphere. Think about it. The Earth is heating. Oceans are changing. The poles are shifting. Storms are increasing. Nature is becoming unpredictable. Maybe the planet is not breaking. Maybe it's warning us. And then there's the most unsettling theory of all, a theory shared by a small group of scientists and physicists. What if these sounds are not coming from Earth, but from outside the Earth? Not aliens, not UFOs, but something more terrifying. The atmosphere reacting to cosmic pressure, solar storms, geomagnetic pulses, space waves hitting our atmosphere, like the sky is ringing like a giant bell. If a massive solar event were approaching Earth, the first sign might not be light, but sound. A deep, metallic, vibrating frequency echoing through the sky. We know almost nothing about what the universe is capable of. We don't even know why whales communicate across oceans. We don't even understand 95% of our deep sea. How can we pretend we understand the sky? But here's where it gets even stranger. Every time a sky sound is recorded, animals react. Dogs hide, birds go silent, cows stop walking, cats stare at the ceiling, horses run. Animals sense something we don't. They always have. So what are they reacting to? What is vibrating in the air? What invisible force is passing over our planet? Some recordings show a pattern, a rhythm, like something mechanical, like footsteps, like breathing, like machinery, which makes people believe there is something in the sky we cannot see, something large, something moving, something watching. Other recordings show a continuous hum, a hum that never changes pitch, almost like a frequency, a signal. There is a theory called the global hum. It suggests that a tiny percentage of humans can hear certain frequencies that others cannot.